Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. September 21, our market closed higher today up 53.67 points or up 0.89% to close at 6,094.71. Value turnover is at 5.51 billion pesos, no? So bargain hunting lifted our market, but we're not out of the woods yet, no? So talagang it's a tough environment to trade in the PSE right now. Not much going on right now. Kahit anong good news mo, it's not recovering, no? So let's start with FLI, no? So they already started the construction of their residential development project in Dagupan City, at least to increase their presence in northern Luzon. So this 2.3 hectare condominium will have around 7 medium-rise buildings. Each unit is around 3 to 4.33 million pesos. No? So Mega World is also building 2-tower residential condominium in Negros Occidental as part of their portfolio expansion, and this is expected to be completed in 2029 and will generate around 5 billion in sales. By the way, speaking of nickel, Felix is also planning to venture into nickel mining as there's an increased demand for the mineral by electric vehicle manufacturers. This will be the first time Felix will be penetrating the nickel space, as they have been focused on copper and gold for the longest time. So, mas may chismis pa sa Maharlika fan, no, who will be leading that area ng government. No? So, is it Benjamin Jokno or some of si Bongkon Singh? Let's see. So anyway, sabi naman ni Aboitiz Power that the recent buyback program is really aimed to improve shareholder value despite its potential removal from the index as they fall below the minimum required float. No, of course, dyan si Papa to rescue. Papa is a known broker of the Aboitiz family. So, of course, we cannot deny that the Aboitiz sold 24% stake in Aboitiz Power to a Japanese firm. So, it's a business move or a strategic move na i-buyback nila at a lower price. Kumita pa sila doon. By the way, ASEAN is also tapping ADB or the Asian Development Bank for around 5.5 billion loan to develop solar photovoltaic projects. So, this is not the first time ASEAN borrowed money. So, talagang if you check their books, utang here, utang doon. So, even their preferred shares, it's a big preferred shares. And of course, the market is not happy with that. Although they are venturing into renewables, debt is always an issue right now. So, with this kind of market, mas na-appreciate nila yung mga cash-rich companies. Yung hindi yung panay borrow here, borrow there. So speaking of borrowings, Dito also secured around 2.3 trillion pesos in loans, at least to finance its growth. Grabe, utang na naman. And si Phil Realty will be borrowing money from PBCom of Lucio Co Pure Gold, at least to develop their residential project in BGC. So sila yung developer ng Tektite and Alexandra project. Anyway, PLDT is also expanding its home fiber business to Island Garden City, Samal. So other than that, it's a challenging environment. Let's see. Anyway, our passcode for today is buyback. So most of the shares, when the market is dropping like this, several companies are using their cash to buy back their shares. So it's a challenging environment the past 16 months. So BPI, so si Fernando Zobel de Ayala is also returning to BPI board after resting for quite some time. No? So dividend index, no, Aboitiz Power is also out, and RRHI is replacing Aboitiz Power. Sa mid-cap naman, no, Bloom is out. Of course, Bloom is promoted to the index, and DDMPR will be added sa mid-cap. So not much activity. CLI is also entering into a new joint venture with a Japanese firm for a premium grade residential tower in Cebu, FYI. No? So, Mega World, MPI. So, yun lang naman. Our passcode for today is buyback. No? So, thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.